If you're looking for ways to make your life easier and more efficient, look no further than ChatGPT, an AI language model that can assist you with various tasks. In this video, we'll share 10 ChatGPT life hacks that will change how you approach your daily life, from creating custom games to generating content. Let's dive in to learn some innovative and time-saving strategies to revolutionize how you utilize AI technology. ChatGPT, Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a big language model-based chatbot developed by OpenAI that was released on November 30, 2022. It is remarkable for allowing users to tweak and direct a discussion towards a desired duration, structure style, amount of information, and language utilized. As context, successive prompts and responses, known as prompt engineering, are considered at each level of the discussion. Its purpose is to produce human-like text answers, depending on specified cues. Thanks to deep learning algorithms, ChatGPT can understand and provide coherent and contextually relevant replies across various topics. It can deliver information, answer inquiries, converse, and help with various chores. ChatGPT's replies are based on patterns and examples learned from massive training data. Therefore, it may occasionally provide incorrect responses. Nonetheless, it marks a substantial advancement in natural language processing and has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of sectors that rely on human-machine interaction. Here are some lifestyle hacks to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to summarize. One of ChatGPT's outstanding abilities is summarizing entire articles into a few phrases. You must copy the online URL of the item you want to read and put it into the ChatGPT of the synopsis. ChatGPT will present you with a highly accurate and simple summary of what could normally take you considerably longer to read in seconds. However, you can also ask ChatGPT to summarize YouTube videos by copying the video URL and title, pasting them into ChatGPT, and letting it operate. ChatGPT can summarize hundreds of pages of information in seconds, rather than hours of reading through big text. Simply copy and paste the text into the ChatGPT room. TLDR, too long, didn't read, and ask for a summary in 2 sentences. It will quickly offer you the most crucial information, saving you energy and time. Even on your phone, you can ChatGPT to quickly and easily discuss news or historical events. Ask ChatGPT to teach. From learning to play the guitar to learning a new language, and even handling software like Photoshop Chat, GPT can teach anything with a single inquiry. Even when competing hard algorithmic problems, it will break down and explain every aspect you need to know. The ability to ask ChatGPT to assess your schoolwork or assignment and then receive fast feedback on why it got that mark. These services are free, so whether you're a student struggling with homework or a professional looking to learn something new, ChatGPT has your back. Not only is it an incredibly convenient tool, but it's also incredibly fast and efficient. With ChatGPT, you can save hours spent trying to learn something new or completing tedious assignments. It can also improve your health. Although ChatGPT is not a licensed healthcare practitioner, it may undoubtedly assist you in improving your overall health and wellness. What ChatGPT can do for your fitness and nutrition journey is incredible. If you want to tone up, gain muscle, and reduce weight, ChatGPT can offer you a thorough fitness plan adapted to your requirements and goals. And if you need something even more particular, ChatGPT can provide you with personalized guidance to help you achieve your goals. ChatGPT can also assist you in developing a weekly meal plan based on your dietary limitations and calorie requirements. And it gets even better. ChatGPT can build a thorough shopping list for you, categorizing it by ingredient, making grocery shopping easy. Another skill where ChatGPT is exceptionally good is creativity. ChatGPT may analyze and learn from your writing style. Simply copy and paste a message or email to ChatGPT and will analyze the content and learn to emulate your writing style, including vocabulary and even a sense of humor. It's almost like making a digital clone of oneself, and it may be quite useful when delegating writing chores or responding to communications quickly. You may also paste any text into ChatGPT and ask it to recreate it in the manner of a certain individual, such as Ross Taylor or Chris Evans. It's fascinating to see how effectively ChatGPT can imitate various writing styles and personas, and it may be a valuable tool for creating comments or advice customized to a certain individual or audience with ChatGPT. The possibilities are endless. ChatGPT can also be your go-to person for advice. If you frequently seek advice, you'll be glad to hear that ChatGPT can help you picture discussing with an AI language model that provides balanced and fair counsel, just like you're talking to a professional. If you're having problems responding to a scathing message from your employer or co-worker, simply paste it into ChatGPT and request assistance. ChatGPT can compose the response for you. This function is quite helpful for anyone who has difficulty composing the ideal response. All you have to do is send a message and ask for assistance. ChatGPT will do the rest. It's almost as if you had a personal assistant at your disposal. So the next time you need advice, don't hesitate to ask for it on ChatGPT. ChatGPT's most striking characteristic is its ability to accurately scan and describe photographs. So if you're having trouble understanding a complex flowchart or a detailed chart, simply paste the picture URL into ChatGPT and let it do the rest. Perfecting it may take a few tries, but ChatGPT can accurately describe any image with little information. Another useful advantage of ChatGPT is its capacity to assist you in vacation planning. Just provide some basic information about your location and travel dates, and ChatGPT will construct a day-by-day itinerary for you. It can even assist you in booking flights. When you are alone and don't have anyone to play games with, ChatGPT can fill that role too. If you ask ChatGPT what games you can play with it, it will give you many alternatives. One of the most intriguing and entertaining games that ChatGPT can provide is trivia. It is simple to play, and you can select from several trivia topics like technology, movies, or even cheese. But ChatGPT can take things a step further by letting you ask it to create a game for you that you can then play in your browser. This function may need a few steps to master, but you can rely on ChatGPT to help you. If that isn't enough, ChatGPT also provides text adventure games such as Dungeons & Dragons. Suppose you haven't heard of Dungeons & Dragons. With ChatGPT, you may enjoy comparable games without requiring a group of friends or a real game board. ChatGPT may generate a fully unique tale for you, immersing you in a fantasy world where you can decide and determine the game's outcome. One of the greatest ways to get better replies from ChatGPT is to engage with it like you would a real person. A basic query such as, "What is 1 + 1?" it will yield a straightforward response. Furthermore, always correct ChatGPT will believe you when it has made a mistake. The more you correct it, the more it will be able to learn from its errors and improve its replies. Another thing you can do to improve your engagement with ChatGPT is to use multiple identities. Each personality you designate to ChatGPT might give you a distinct response. Some personalities provide better responses than others. Although it is unclear why this is the case, assigning personas allows you to establish a more personalized engagement with ChatGPT and receive replies suited to your needs. Being original is a piece of cake for ChatGPT. It is more than just answering questions and playing trivia games. It can develop wholly unique material for you, such as creating songs about aliens to make horrible jokes, or writing your best man's speech after only knowing him for a week. When creating content with ChatGPT, the options are practically limitless. You can also take a job description and ask ChatGPT to produce a one-page cover letter. Regarding content development, the sky is the limit, and the greatest thing is that AI will only improve here from out. ChatGPT is a strong tool that may assist with a variety of jobs and issues in life. ChatGPT's natural language processing and generating skills can help you compose a message, discover a product, or have a fun discussion. However, ChatGPT has restrictions and hazards, which you should know. Use ChatGPT to boost your creativity and productivity, but don't let it replace your brain and judgment. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe for more thought-provoking stuff, and share it with your friends. This is Channel Name signing off.